Social media is sort of like vitamins. It's sort of like eating healthy. We all know that we have to do social media to generate leads, to build our brand, and to go and connect with people. Why? So that we can stay top of mind. So the next time someone thinks about buying something that we're selling, they think of us. They pick up the phone, they click on the link, they book a time in our calendar. Social media is like eating healthy. We all need to do it. But the problem is that for many people, eating healthy is not something that they want to do. They don't enjoy it. They don't enjoy doing social media. It's kind of a pain in the butt to go and record a video and then schedule it and get into that flow. We think about things like, what do we say? Do I look good on camera? Do I want to stay consistent on this? Do I have time to do this? There's all sorts of objections that occur that prevent us from doing these things. So in this video training, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the Dubb agent to generate your scripts and then import those into a teleprompter and then upload those directly to your social channels. And the best part about this is that you can schedule all of these things. So I'm going to ask for help from my good friend Rob, who can perhaps do a teleprompter screen sharing in a moment here. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to go to my Dubb agent and I want to say, Dubb agent, write me some scripts. In fact, I even have a routine here, which is a scheduled task where every single day it writes my scripts for me. So it goes and it scans the web, it scans our YouTube channel, it scans our recorded Zoom calls. It has all the transcripts loaded into Dubb agent through integrations, and then it goes ahead and writes our scripts. And if you notice here, every single day we get scripts. What we love about this is that this comes from our clients. This does not come from our heads. This comes from what our clients are asking us. And because we're able to service our clients, it makes us feel really good about this. It also makes us feel really efficient with our time. We realize that people are asking us for this content, our prospects or our clients, and that if we give this content to them in the form of social media, then we can service them, we can stay top of mind, and ultimately we can drive more sales. So what I always do is I always generate my scripts with Dubb agent. I ask the Dubb agent to import them into my scripts, and then sure enough, if I go into my scripts library on my account, all my scripts are there, all written with AI, all written with information that our clients asked of us that AI processed, all in our voice and in our tone. So the next thing I'd like to do, with good help from Rob, is to show how the teleprompter works. If you want to do that, just to paint the picture here, we asked Dubb agent to write the script. We asked Dubb agent to import the script into our Dubb account. That's our Dubb Studio account. And then we open up the Dubb mobile app to go ahead and record our video.
All right, so here is how we're going to use the Dubb mobile app, Dubb, with the script that was written, and we're going to use the teleprompter to record a quick video. So let me share my screen, and this is what this is going to look like. Okay, so here is the Dubb mobile app, Dubb, and I am going to select the record button right at the bottom, little blue camera icon down there, and it's going to open up my camera. And now I can record. And the script we're going to find is right over here in the teleprompter, which is this button right here. And we select it here. We're going to go back to scripts in here. Now notice I can search for a script. I also can look for the person. If I want to go over here to Ruben's account, who was just doing this, I can come in here. Now let's just grab the AI sales assistant here. Now notice when I open the script, I have the ability to move this up and down. This is important because if you're trying to keep your eyes up by the camera, which is towards the top, you want to have the script maybe about right here, because if you have it down here and you hit the play button, which is right here to test this speed, if it's going too slow and your eyes are looking for the words, then they're not staying up here by the camera. So what you want to do is you just want to play with the speed. This is between 1 and 10. So you can hit the little button here up and down. Let's hit the play button here. Let's test this speed, see if we like it. That's not bad. Maybe I'll select it lower here if I want to do that. You also have the option, if you want to use this right here. So this is auto track. So if you select this button here, then it's going to give you the ability to say the script as you're speaking, and it will go at the pace in which you're reading it. So you have the choice of either doing this. I'm going to hit record here so you can see what it looks like. You're sending emails nobody opens. So see how it's highlighting the words as I'm reading it? That's really more of a choice. What is the style you like better? So it depends on the day. Some days I like using that. Other days I like using the scroll. I'm going to use the auto scroll for this example here. And this is going to be what this is going to look like. And if you want to do any real-time editing, you can hit the pencil icon, make any changes on the fly. Because sometimes when you write a script and you read it out loud, you're like, you know what? I want to make a change. So this is what we're going to do here. I'm going to hit the record button here. Here we go. And three, two, one. You're sending emails nobody opens, making calls nobody answers, following up manually and still losing deals. What if your AI assistant research your leads, write personalized follow-ups, book meetings, and update your CRM all while you focus on closing? That's Dubb AI. It's not another tool. It's a teammate that works 24/7 so you never miss a deal ever again. Click the link in bio, drop a question below, and follow me, or you're never going to see me again. So right there, that's how you deliver it with that. Now, you notice we have a couple clips down here. So the Dubb mobile app records in clips. First clip, I'm going to get rid of. So I'm going to tap this here with my finger. I'm going to hit delete, and it's gone. There's the one I want to upload. I'm going to close the teleprompter to the top right, hit the X, and it's closed. Now, this clip has been automatically downloaded to my phone. But this is a really cool feature that the Dubb mobile app has. If you select the clip here, I can play it back, I can edit it, I can trim it. But check this out. I'm going to select edit. You're sending emails, no. See how it says 17 pauses from this clip? This is a feature called auto cut, which is going to remove my pauses. So it gives you a nice crisp video and gets right to the point. I'm going to select the scissor icon to the top right. And as soon as I do that, it's going to get rid of the silences. So to give you an idea, this is what it's going to be like. I'm going to grab it again. I'm going to hit play. You're sending emails nobody opens, making calls nobody answers, following up manually and still losing deals. What if your AI assistant could research your lead, write personalized follow-ups, book meetings, and update your CRM all while you focus on closing? That's Dubb AI. It's not another tool. It's a teammate that works 24/7 so you never miss a deal ever again. Click the link in bio, drop a question below, and follow me, or you're never going to see me again. So see how it got rid of the silences there? So if you want that effect, that kind of jump cut kind of effect, and then you're going to hit the blue arrow at the top right. Sending emails nobody and opens. Then you're going to upload it into the Dubb platform. Click upload, and it's going to start uploading it into the platform where you'll have access to this wherever you need access to as long as you're logged into the Dubb Studio platform. Is at that point, depending on the social platform, you're going to want to download the MP4 and go to visual uploads. You can use Dubb Agent to write the copy, the hashtags, all of the stuff that's available within that. Or you can do it in any kind of automated way with different repurposing and things like that. So depending on what way you want to do it, typically the downloading the MP4 and uploading per the platform works well. But Ruben, this is your area. Over to you.
Yeah, no, thanks, Rob. The other thing that we like to share is this idea on the Dubb mobile app. If you notice right here on the top of the screen, there is an up arrow. So if you look at that arrow on the Dubb mobile app, that is the up arrow. If you click on that, you notice it will give you the ability to upload it to various social channels, including Instagram, Facebook, X, the list goes on. It's a really easy way. Let's sort of recap this. So if you want to create a routine to write scripts every day based on customer feedback, based on information that your clients are asking you so that you can service them, stay top of mind, and ultimately close more deals, you want to use the Dubb agent to create the routine, write the scripts for you, import them into your scripts, import them into your teleprompter, record the videos, and then get that into a daily sequence of scheduling those. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever your channel is, or all of the above. This will accommodate that. So we encourage people to get into a flow of creating video content every single day because it will change your life if you commit to this for 30 days. Really curious to get feedback on this. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think.